Memecore is back at it, and it is absolutely outrageous the price action we are seeing right here for the Memecore token. We were saying how it could potentially get to $2, and the price of this coin has indeed got very, very close to $2, actually topped out around $1.93 here. So we can see Memecore M token, $1.87 billion market capital right now, one of the bigger meme coins in the crypto space. And of course, we're looking at this one, the first layer 1 blockchain specially built for meme 2.0. So guys, if you're new here, please do subscribe if you want to level up in the crypto space. And of course, thanks for clicking on the video if you have done so. So yeah, at the moment you can see this is parabolic. In the last month, it's gone from literally a floor of $400 to $500 million market cap all the way up to the 1.8 billion zone. So that's about a good 3x right there, as you can see. Now, it did have a run already, as you can see, around sort of July and August, but only recently has this token really started to take off. So people that really held, especially through the first initial sell-off and crash, are now seeing the reward. So also, you know, just very interested to see where this price action can go, because you can see it really all started around here at that $0.43 price region. The token is now up massively, and it's literally been a lot of green days, an incredible amount of green days. Actually, we've had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 green days in a row. And I don't know how much easier it is to continue this pattern, because eventually there has to be a little bit of red. If we look at the candles beforehand, we had 3, 6, 7 candles before we went into a red candle. So right now it has been indeed a lot of candles. And you can see that the initial pump looks quite similar to the one that happened over here back in July. So I do effectively think we might see a bit of downside at some point soon, especially because we've only seen up for this particular coin. Now, I don't want to be bearish and boring, but yeah, it's a reality that coins like this don't go up forever. And, you know, this is just a price prediction piece. This is me saying it might hit $2. It might not. I don't know for sure. But if we use SPX for reference, what happened with SPX? It was a whole different ball game, but you can see this thing was just going up for a long time, and finally it has gone down, right? We've seen the price drop, and it's come back down in price, which is absolutely normal. But the thing is, it's not going to go up forever, and no coin does go up forever. That's the thing. But when you see price action like this, it can easily fool you to believe so. Now, what we can see, there is a lot of overhead resistance for this token, especially around here. So a lot of resistance at $1.90 for this particular coin. It's very bought on the relative strength index here, so super overbought, but a lot of volume. There's been a lot of interest, but it is naturally now overbought as a token. So I wouldn't be aping into this coin right now, guys. I would be waiting to see what could happen, because you can see this trajectory is clear at the moment. It is only up, but I do predict that we will see a correction at some point. I don't know when exactly, but just looking at how it's pumped, if we were to just follow classic Fibonacci retracements, you know, naturally I'll be looking at around the dollar. $1.60, no, not even that, about a 30% correction for this coin would make absolute sense right now, which means capturing the token back down at around the dollar to $1.10. Now remember, we are in September. So what does September effectively mean? Well, you know, the history shows a clear pattern. Both 2023 and 2024, September has always been weak for crypto. Now, of course, it could be different this time round, but if September is usually weak, we usually see a drop for Ethereum, drop for Bitcoin, which would also mean a drop for altcoins and also meme coins. Now, October is usually a rally. That's why it's nicknamed Uptober. But again, it doesn't mean for sure that we're going to see an absolute pump in the market. It's just something I've got in my mind. So we could see a correction and small dump for alts and memes in September, which would be interesting. If we did see a 45% correction here for Memecore, it could then offer some potential upside. You know, from here, we could bounce out the hole, and in October, November, maybe see higher prices. If you guys are buying coins, by the way, buying cryptos, make sure you're checking out Bitchnix. Sign up down below. Enjoy some free trading bonuses. And yeah, definitely check them out. One of my favorite exchanges right now. I'm currently in a Bitcoin short with Bitchnix, and I really love this particular exchange. Looking at Memecore, they are growing. That's for sure. They're getting a lot of new eyes on the project. And indeed, you know, they are posting out pretty much every single day. So it's really good to see Memecore go high, and hopefully it can continue to go high. I imagine they're exhibiting at the Token 2049 event in Singapore. But in general, like, I'm excited, right? I'm really excited. Now, what else can we check out in this video because, you know, there's a lot to talk about. I think at the moment, you know, a lot of you guys are waiting to see what's going to happen with the meme market in general because there's a lot of anticipation for something big. Well, there is this other cool project I want to show you guys because NFTs are still pretty cool. Don't worry, they've not died just yet. Now look at this. So there's something I want to show you here. This Comikly, their first comic is coming out very, very soon. The mint date is going to be on the 10th of September, so right around the corner. This is a very, very cool platform right here I want to show you because there could be some decent value, and you can join the waitlist by just entering your email address right here, and also hop in the Discord, join the waitlist, so to speak. But just look at this. If you like comics, if you like fan art, if you like community, you can see, look, is this what holds people back from publishing and engaging with an audience? Gatekeepers publish authorization. So it's really cool. It's time for some stories, right, in the crypto space. Now, this is a project that could have big, big value and is worth checking out, guys. So I found this one. I did some due diligence on the token. After the team reached out to me because they wanted me to share this with you guys, so I researched it, I due diligenced it, and it does look pretty cool. We can see here, it says Astro Kids issue 1. So it says, yes, you read that right. Be part of history. Issue 1 of the blockchain-powered comic book isn't just a story. It's a digital artifact forever etched on chain. This is where the universe begins, and you're not just reading it. You're owning a piece of it. You're owning a bit of digital property, a bit of digital art here. This isn't just a comic. This is your first edition key to the future of storytelling. Secure your NFT now because legends start at number 1. So Astro Kids isn't just a comic or an NFT. It's your ticket to a wild space adventure on Solana. So what does this mean? There's also gonna be gameplay. This is a play to earn token at the same time. You can see here a screenshot of some gameplay. It looks like a mobilized game, but it could also be on the PC. 100%. This looks pretty cool. I do like seeing games in the crypto space. So I see here Comikly as well. The face you make when Comikly is just around the corner. So 10th of September is the date to be looking forward to, guys. Check out this project down below. They're very, very young right now, but finally the date is literally just around the corner. So it's worth looking at. This could be really, really cool for people that adopt the project early, for people that join that waiting list nice and early. But of course, guys, always do your own research, due diligence, and you know, this is a token that I will be absolutely getting involved with. So I'm very, very interested to see how this one is going to go down. To continue reading this here, it says built on Sonic, a super fast layer built on Solana, Astro Kids lets you read, collect, and shape the story with the community. As new chapters drop, your Astro Kids NFT can unlock special content, earn on-chain rewards, and even help decide what happens next. So yeah, have a look at this one, guys. It says launch date, August 2025. Supply 3,000 NFTs, 2,000 normal, 750 rare, 250 legendary. And in general, you know, this could be one that is crazy. The whitelist has 1,000 WL mint spots. NFT gated access to Astro Kids comic book issue 1 on Comikly. So this is Comikly right here, and this is what it's all about. So it's worth, like I say, hopping in the Discord, check out the X profile, have a look at the project, and this could be an absolutely you know, game changer right here in the NFT space. Before we leave, guys, subscribe, like, comment on this video. Let me know down below where you think the Memecore project is going to go, because I'm super, super keen to see this hit $2, but I'm also very, very much aware that this coin is up massively and we could be due a slight correction here for the Memecore coin, because, you know, that's a lot of green candles. There's a lot of consecutive green candles. We're about to start tomorrow. It's a Monday. It's a new day in the, you know, the business week in general. And yeah, we could potentially see a bit of downside here. A lot of people are thinking Ethereum down to 3.8K, Bitcoin down to 98K. These are all numbers that I personally think we could see as well. So yeah, check out Bitchnix down below. Like I say, exchange bonus rewards are waiting for you here. No KYC, fantastic exchange. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.